Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm gonna be doing, we're throwing it way back, okay? We're gonna do a little what's in my bag. Okay, so first of all, I have cleared this room out so much, you guys, in the anticipation of moving. And today I was like, where do you think you're filming sit down videos? Because y'all, you packed your chair away. And then I was thinking, girl, why are you acting so weird? You sat on the floor to film for probably the first 10 years of your channel, not 10 years, whatever, forever, okay? So I was like, throwing it way back, we're on the floor. But nonetheless, that's not what this video is about. And we're also throwing it back with a what's in my bag video, what's in my purse. I recently picked up this little baby. This is the Longchamp Pliage, the littlest guy, the one that's like technically a cosmetic bag, but who the heck would use this as a cosmetic bag? I just think it's the teeniest, tiniest, cutest little bag in the entire world. And it is small. For reference, this is my head. It's very small. I wrapped a little scarf thingy around it because I thought that was cute. And I also bought the little strap attachment from Amazon that everybody that has this bag has. So yes, not very original, but I thought so cute. I needed just a good neutral everyday kind of bag that went with my more casual outfits, so that I felt like it was easy to just throw in a purse and go. And I also wanted something that was small and something that I could like kind of dress up. I knew I did not tie the scarf right, so don't come at me. I'll watch a video, don't worry. But something that I could kind of fancy up a little bit, but something that's just easy, and this is it. I went with the most neutral colorway. So if you're not familiar with the bags, I also have never liked Longchamp bags. They were big when I was like in college, and I feel like I hated them because I felt like this part of the bag was too big compared to this. So that's why I really like this mini, because it's like, this is half the bag, you know what I mean? So it gives more interest. Anyway, I digress. So it has the flap, and then it has a little zipper, and I'll share with you everything that I keep in it. Since I don't keep tons in, this is gonna be a fast video, but I wanna share with you everything that you can fit in it, because I feel like that's also, I was curious to know if it will really fit everything. So yes, it fits. I have the 13 Max something or other. So let's dive into her. I put my phone in just so you can see. So yes, my phone actually fits. I would not buy a purse that my phone did not fit into. So I think this is the Max something. It's not very new by any means. I think it's like 3 or 4 years old, which the other day I heard on the radio that they're going to be raising the prices of iPhones to like $2,300. Like, are you actually bananas? Bananas. That's the price of a dang computer, which I should probably buy fast before those prices go up too, huh? Anyway, my little iPhone. I love this little case. So cute. My card thing, this is pretty much all I carry. I rarely ever carry cash. So this is what my license, my credit cards, the things. I like this. I will say it stretches out like crazy. This is the Goyard little card wallet thing. I loved the blue. I just thought it was so fun. But when you put cards in there, just know that you can never take cards out without it losing its integrity. I've heard soak it in water, but man, I'm pretty sure this is painted, so I don't think you can do that. But I do, I really like it, and I just think it's fun and cute. And I will invest in something like this because I carry this 90% of the time. Normally I just carry this and my keys, but I'm trying to get into a bag. One thing I will say is when I lost my wallet, I was like so scared that somebody would just steal it just because of the case, which I was kind of like, you're kind of putting yourself out there with that. It's kind of annoying. My car keys, I just have my car key, my mail key, my house key, which I don't even need, to be honest with you, because we have one of those like key things. And I don't even think this key opens the door anymore. I should look that up, or look it up, figure it out. And then my gate opener for our house. Some little mints. This is kind of a big case of mints, but this is what I have in all of my purses ever since, I think I got these when we were in Amsterdam. I should show you the purse while I'm doing this. Some sunnies. I love these. I just got these recently from Amazon. They're kind of like Miu Miu dupes. I think they're cute. I love them. Scott hates them, you know they're good. One thing I would consider getting, and I've seen kind of on some people's bags, is something that like, it's like a leather case that holds your glasses on the outside of your bag, and I thought that was kind of cool to save a little bit of room, but you can see everything that fits in here. Next, I always have a hair clip. I am the most overstimulated hair person in the entire world. Like this right now, driving me nuts, okay? But it's cute. But I always have like a little hair clip. And I try to go with a smaller one and not a huge one. And to be honest with you, sometimes you'll just see it clipped out of my bag because that's who I am, okay? Next up, I do keep this in there. I got this from Merit Beauty. They sent it over to me, and it's just a really cute little like compact mirror. It's not essential. Like if I'm needing to take something out to put something else in, I will take this out, but it's just a double-sided mirror, and it's really shiny and cute, and it's got a really good like weight to it. I always keep some kind of fragrance, and it's always a mini. So either this one, I think I have 3 minis. I have the Merit, I have the Burberry Her, which I love this fragrance so much. And I have the Marc Jacobs Daisy, which I just kind of like rotate whatever I'm feeling. But this is such a good like daytime fresh scent. So I always carry that in my bag. In the end, 2 little lippies, that's it. I know that seems like not much, but it's really not. This is the City Beauty Defining Lip Pencil in Blush. I have become madly obsessed with this. I don't know why I don't have it on right now. Let's take a moment. I did a video with them, and I've never been a lip liner girl, but you guys, I'm obsessed. My lips have been so dry recently too because I've been using tretinoin regularly and it dries out my lips. And then I actually just picked up this one from this Sephora sale. This is the Summer Friday lip butter in Birthday Cake. Does anyone else feel like this is a thinner consistency? Have they changed their consistency, or is it just this flavor? Because I feel like it depends. I love the pink sugar and the vanilla, but I felt like the mint one didn't like, and I feel like this one is just like butter. Not in a good way, not a thick butter, like an oily butter. I don't know. But it smells good, and it has a little bit of a sheen to it. So that is it. That is everything that fits in my little mini Le Pliage. So you can carry it obviously from the strap handle like this, and I like that, or throw it over your body because I'm a millennial. I do that. But yeah, that's everything that fits. Not a ton, but I feel like enough to like, you know, make it work. I do have to take my like keychain, which this thing is busted up anyway. I love my little octopus. I always love this because Arlo mispronounced the word octopus and would say octopus for so it was my favorite thing in the world. Did anyone like have such a hard time correcting their child when they said things wrong? Too cute. But my little octopus is beat up because he was cheap, but he was really cute. But anyway, that's everything that fits in my little bag, and I'm so excited yeah, to have a little bag. And this is waterproof. It's like a canvas. It's quite nice. This part is leather, but the strap you get from Amazon is not leather, just so you know. But anyway, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed throwing it way back, sitting on the floor, doing a what's in my bag. But I love you guys so much, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video very, very soon. Before I go though, I restocked it, but I want to share with you what it looks like crossbody as well as just like on my frame and for reference if you're curious. So it fits in the crook of my elbow, which I love. Again, you can hold it by the handle itself, or grab the strap that goes with it and wear it crossbody, which is honestly super cute. So I would probably wear it in front, you could wear it to the side, but I would probably wear it in the front. But that's it. That's how it kind of looks on my frame for reference.